Hello and welcome back to Hitman Blood Money with me, Judge Bookman, and today we're going to visit a casino and level a house of cards. Won't that be fun? Because casinos are famous for not having much security. No, they're not.
Where his story ends.
Is it?
Whose story?
47's. I've been looking forward to this for a long, long time.
Ooh.
It's not his funeral.
It is.
Oh dear.
But you didn't get him in Mississippi.
No. We got close, but he slipped away.
Yep,
He knew we were on him now. He was running scared.
Where'd he go?
Where does anyone go for a last desperate roll of the dice?
Nice to be back in civilization, 47.
It suited me. I
Yep.
had some business to attend to.
Those missions
No,
out
good
in the
stuff.
sticks may have bought us some time, but things are still deteriorating rapidly.
Why have I got a canary?
We're still losing agents. You got the briefing?
Yesterday. Got the pictures right here.
Oh.
Mohammed bin Faisal al-Khalifa, his scientist Tariq Abdul Latif, and Henrik Schmutz of South Africa.
Henry Schmutz.
Interesting trio.
The DNA angle's disturbing. This may tie into the group that's trying to liquidate us.
Yep.
Welcome to Las Vegas, 47. There's a white supremacist from South Africa. His name is Henrik Schmutz, who's trying to sell some DNA material and lab reports to the wealthy Saudi sheikh, Mohammed bin Faisal al-Khalifa. The sheikh is working for someone else, but we're not sure who. Our client wants to force them into the open by disrupting the deal. You've got 3 targets, the Afrikaner, the sheikh, and the sheikh's scientist, who'll be there to verify the material. We've been losing a lot of agents lately, 47. Any mission could be a setup at this point.
Yeah, this is going to be a toughie. Because casino's got a lot of security cameras, people, and these guys are fairly paranoid because they're in the middle of a DNA deal. Because apparently DNA assessment is on the black market these days. Who am I to question that? I don't know anything about the black market. Ooh, I can buy that at least. Oh, here we go. Hendrik Schmutz, a South African white supremacist. Tariq Abdul Latif, some random scientist, and Mohammed bin Faisal al-Khalifa, a random sheikh. I don't know. Here we are at the casino. First thing you want to do is go over here. Hello, I'm here to murder some people.
Good evening, sir. Welcome to the Shamal Hotel.
Thank you.
If you wish to check in, the reception is located through these doors within the main reception area.
Thank you very
Feel
much.
free to enjoy our casino or relax in the bar towards the back. We hope you enjoy your stay here in Las Vegas. Have a nice day.
You do not look comfortable in those clothes. Also, you have an identical twin sister. Okay. Normally I'd put that on lazy game design, but this is Vegas. If anyone was going to hire twins as a marketing campaign. Oh! Maybe them.
I have a reservation. The name is Kropes.
Possibly
Let's
triplets.
see. There it is. Here's your key card. Our
Thank
new
you.
key cards are floor specific, so they only give you access to the floor you're staying on.
That's fine.
Alrighty then. On behalf of Shamal Hotel and Casino, let me be the first to wish you a very pleasant stay, Dr. Kropes.
Thank you very much.
Specific. They only give you access to the floor you're staying on.
Yep,
okay?
understood. Yes, so apparently they've got triplets working
Alrighty
here.
then. On behalf of Shamal Hotel and Casino, let me be the first to wish you a very pleasant stay, Mr. Guerra.
Yeah, good. Thanks.
Give you the same speech to that guy. So first you want to do in this level. Want to go to this elevator on the right, call it. There's one of your oh, he's just coming. Come call the elevator quickly. Hurry up. Good. And then you want to climb the hatch quickly. And get out your fibre wire. And just wait as it goes. There's your first target. That would be the South African white supremacist, Henrik Schmutz, whatever. Wait for the doors to close before you start anything. And up we go. And that's the first target killed, nice and easy. I get his key card. Okay. Payment briefcase. I'm going to take this to my room. Hello. Ignore the possible blood or smell in that elevator. Now, 701. There it is. Oh. Spare mine. Okay, why not? Now, where's our second target? Is there. We'll get to him later. Because we need to go find the scientist first. And I can't remember where he is. And that was the scientist. Henrik Schmutz isn't doing it. Oops, I've got a bit wrong, but never mind. This is quite a complicated level. I'll head up to level 8, because that's where he was going. Yes. Which key card do I have? 803. That one. Well, of course, it's not quite that easy because there's some security guards there. Hello. How are you?
Hey, you got no business here.
Yep. But there's a nice and easy way to get them out of the way. That'll be the sheep arriving. I'm just going to have a quick shower while that's happening. And the scientist is waiting to lift there. The sheep is... and all I need to do is wait for the scientist to come to his room. And I'll have to remember to apologise to all the tourists who thought the evening I just ruined by pulling a fire alarm. Seventh floor? Uh-oh. I may have just wasted that. Oops. Hello. Excuse me, sorry. Wrong floor. Yeah, I hear there's a fire. Uh-oh. Aha! Dang it. Hello, room service. I've got pizza. Nope. Fine. Let's jump with something else. I could just pull the fire alarm again. Oh, like as always. No, I can't. Oh, I can. It is possible to just sneak across here, but you do want to be careful not to be seen. Is there anyone in here? Because for some strange reason, if people see you climbing around on the balconies, they get a bit suspicious. Can't imagine why. Come on, over the... There we go. Oh, sorry. I shouldn't be here, should I? Sorry, don't mind me. Just leaving. I am going to target. Hello, target. I think I just missed an opportunity to get him in his room, but... Are you going to the lift? I think you are. But which one? Aha! And now he's going to get it. Oh, this is excellent. Okay, definitely saving. Definitely saving. Keycard room service. Oh, a silenced pistol, that's always useful. And his suit. Hello, freakish triplets clone. I should technically go up and get the DNA briefcase. We're going to try and see if I can do it. But this is actually a bit difficult because there are some cameras here, so if you go down that way you will get caught on the cameras. You need to stick around this way, press the wall, go through this door, and through here. Otherwise you will get caught on camera, and that's just irritating. Hello everybody!
Hey buddy, this area is restricted. Get lost.
Yes, they won't let me in without the briefcase. Fair enough. And I'll be in his room, 707. hope they don't check the roofs of those lifts. Hello. Don't mind me, just going to my room. What do you mean I look different than I did this time? DNA briefcase. Yeah, steel diamond, which is a payment. Put a bomb in there. This is a bit tricky. But the Sheik is kind of difficult to deal with. Someone's had a pair of shoes outside the door. That's careless of him. I'm just going around in circles at this point. Where am I going? Yeah, right here. Genius. There we go. Now let's try this again. See if we can pull this off. It's a bit tricky. I mean, actually getting in there is fine, just getting out afterwards is the problem. What was that? What kind of dance move was that? You bought. You're another clone. Okay. So, their fears of cloning are justified. They're using clones in the casinos now. Hello.
I have to search you, sir.
Feel free. Oh, I gotta go. They're probably gonna take that off me.
You ain't getting past me with a weapon, though.
Okay. Feel free.
Thanks.
Not
You're
my
all
gun.
set.
And here's the target. I'm just gonna drop another save here, because I know from experience that this is a bit tricky to pull off. Hello.
You are Hendrik Schmutz.
Yes, Sheikh
Yes.
Mohammed.
كمال اجلب الألماس. The merchandise will be inspected before payment is delivered. It is merely prudence. Of course you understand.
I
Of
understand.
course.
You speak English very well, of course I understand you.
What is the meaning of this?
Now I need to get out of here fairly quickly. Uh-oh. I just need to make it to the lift. Ah. Come on. Yes, they may have found the bodies. Come on, hit the drive. There we go. Get my original suit back. All the funerals entrance was to this. Aha! 7th floor, don't get the lobby. If this works, then I'm going to be stopping. floor. I may just be pressing all the buttons, trying to confirm your kids. These noises parents. I go to my room, just send it. Yeah, this thing's just down here. What? 7th floor, what? Hey. Okay, I'm just stuck in there. No, I'm not going to press any buttons. I just put a suitcase down and ran away. I was not my first cycle. Hi, there was a bit of an explosion down there. I'm rather going to look into it. Oh dear, someone's been playing strip poker. No one seems that fussed about the explosion that just happened. I'm going to try and avoid being seen by security guards, just on the off chance that they realise. Fire escape. It's on here. Here it is. Okay. Am I going to make it out to getting caught by camera? Yes, I am. And somehow, that's an escape. Yay! Oh, I killed 4. I killed a security guard as well. Specialist. Well, yeah, a bit of noise. You know, there was a bit of an explosion. Fair enough. Yeah, that wasn't bad. No need to worry about this. And let's see what's in the papers today. Specialist wanted by police. Blood Money is involved, yeah, we know. Sheikh Mohammed bin Hawass, a recluse scientist, were found dead. Find out, of course, 2 additional deaths. Last victim was working for Sheik's private security personnel. C4 expressed around the area, including bomb may have been used for murder. Lack of witnesses, no clear appearance. So she was 54 years old and CEO of Arabian Pharmaceutical Exports, whose antidepressant drug Encefamol is expected to receive FDA approval later this year. Started came with many billionaires, had an international reputation as something of a playboy, especially one of those blackjack craps. Is that an actual card game? I don't know. He was decadent as he was extravagant. Most recent birthday, he invited guests to lick beluga caviar off the otherwise naked bodies of dozens of beautiful young... Yeah, I feel no shame about Internet headlines 2002 when the press published photographs of one of his orgies. So much the cast of character. It wasn't the character so much as who was in the photo. Oh, good grief. Okay. Editorial, sports... Oh gosh. Hey look, there's a mysterious new high roller in town and fits her a burst of exclamation. Who is she? Where'd she come from? Where'd she get all that money? She called it Bio Beauty for plain enough reasons. Her beauty is striking, her accent summons bios of the Mississippi Delta. Charles' name was Susan Smith, but in the words of one Pip must see in action. Her name's Smooth Smith and I'm George Washington. Gosh, I wonder who that could be. Yeah, now I know where our client from last time ended up. That wasn't nothing new. You can capture imaginations from one end of the strip to the other. Millions of pretty women, thousands of rich women, hundreds of pretty rich high rollers. I've never seen a pretty rich high roller that plays cards like Pie Beauty. She's brilliant, she's a killer. You've got no idea, mate. Oof. The election poll, I can't remember how much of that changed because I keep losing track of everything. But Tom Stewart looks like he's winning. Frank Morgan is coming second. Daily Mail into Hitman4.com. Sheriff calls a hunt for escapees. 2 death row inmates who escaped incarceration remain at large. Looking for is calling for manhunt. So it's pretty much all the leads. Got to face the facts these guys gun. It's just a waste of resource to keep looking for them at the point. So, I'm only speaking for local law enforcement. Of course, the feds are still going after these guys very aggressively. There's Adam Marcus and Mr. Little, both convicted murderers and on their way to be executed. Sheriff's decision to drop out may have been influenced by the increasingly bullying tactics of federal investigators. Lion mutilates 42 midgets in Cambodian ring club. What? Is this a thing? Spectators cheered as the entire Cambodian midget fighting league squared off against an African lion till late last week. Tickets had been sold out 3 weeks before. A fight had been slated after an angry fan of Theod Yang Xiang, the president of the league, claiming that a single lion could defeat his entire league. And promoter took the challenge, and an African lion was shipped to the breeding company round the fight to take place on the commission. They received a 50% commission and no cameras or mobile phones were allowed. Fight was called off for just 12 minutes, you don't say. 28 fighters were declared dead and the other 14 suffered severe to critical injuries. Well done, lion. Prior to the fight, Sihamoni declared that the numerical spirit of his fighters allowed him to outwit and outmuscle the lion. He was wrong. Ooh, and that's the location for the next level, the Heaven or Hell Club thing. Office. Party. So yeah, that was the casino level. And we'll save. Yeah, that actually went quite a lot smoother than I expected it to go. I've done playthroughs of that level where I've spent literally ages trying to work out how to kill Rishi, because he's very difficult to deal with because he pretty much stays there the whole time. As far as I can tell, I've never been able to work out how to get him out of there. And he's surrounded by security. So my method of dealing with that is just to walk in there with a suitcase, explode suitcase and then run away. Which doesn't normally work as well as it did there. Yeah. That's been the House of Cards level, Hitman Blood Money. I'm Judge Bookman. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.